Hello everyone, you are welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. So today we will be cooking ogbono soup, the Nigerian style. Let's get cooking. So to cook this, we start by seasoning and cooking the meat first. I'm using assorted meat here, so you can use any meat of your choice. So after cooking the meat, when the meat is ready, I went in and added more water, enough to cook the soup. Then next I added some stockfish and smoked catfish, thoroughly washed and deboned. Then next I added about a quarter cup of ground crayfish. Then added some ground green hot pepper. Add about tablespoon of ground dawa or ukpei. About a tablespoon of Cameroon pepper. And about 2 teaspoons of ground uziza seed. Then next I added seasoning cubes. I'm using Maggi Star here, 2 cubes. So I'm going to give it a little stir. Then I will cover this and allow it to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. So while that is cooking, I went ahead to mix the ogbono. I'm using 1 cup of ground ogbono and a half cup of palm oil. So I will be mixing it together to dissolve the ogbono. So I placed it on the stove top on the lowest setting of my stove top to make sure the ogbono dissolve properly, like so. So after about 10 minutes, I will be going in now with the mixed and dissolved ogbono and palm oil. So I added it. I did not stir it immediately. Allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I gave it a little stir to avoid burning. Just give it a little stir. This helps to boost the draw in the ogbono. If you want your ogbono to draw, just add it and leave it to cook. Do not stir immediately. So after that, I'm going to allow it to cook for about 20 minutes more. The longer, the better. So after 20 minutes, I'm going to give it a good stir. Remember to stir it in between the 20 minutes, like stir it every 5 minutes, okay? So after that, I'm going to add the vegetable I'll be using, which is kale. You can use any vegetable of your choice. You can use ugu, you can use uziza leaf, you can use spinach, any vegetable you decide to use. Normally I use ugu. When I don't have ugu, so I'm using kale, which will give me the same result anyway. So feel free to use any vegetable of your choice and then stir it for about 1 minute. Allow it to cook for extra 1 minute, which is 2 minutes altogether. Do not overcook the vegetable, and the soup is ready. As you can see, it's very easy, simple to make. So remember, you can cook ogbono soup in different way. You can do the frying method, which I did last time on this page, and then everybody was complaining. Okay, I serve this with eba, that is white garri. You can serve it with any swallow of your choice. Enjoy, it's very delicious. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.